There's a lot to love about the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra, but there's one thing in particular on TRD off-road equipped models that I think Toyota should have done differently, and on my truck, it's been corrected, mostly. If you hadn't already noticed, the mustache is gone, as well as a lot of the bling that's characteristic of certain trim levels of the all-new Tundra. Now, for whatever reason, on TRD Sport and TRD Pro models of the Tundra, Toyota decided to keep them mostly body colored and black. But then on the TRD off-road model, we get a chrome grille surround, chrome door handles, chrome window trim, chrome rear bumper caps, and a chrome tailgate handle. Why? I don't know. It was much to my dismay and the dismay of many others that view this channel. I think that they completely missed the mark when it came to the TRD off-road models. Unfortunate, but there are now aftermarket options becoming available to correct this, but it does come at a cost. As you can see, I've replaced all of these parts on my truck with the exception of the rear tailgate handle. The wrong one was shipped, and so I'm in the process of getting a replacement rear tailgate handle, but I wanted to give you guys a look at the truck with all of these other parts installed. The parts that I use for this installation come from RevMoto. RevMoto specializes in painted auto body parts. I used them previously on my 2016 Tacoma. I had the TRD off-road model, and I wanted to get the TRD Pro hood with the hood scoop, so I ordered a hood, got it painted black to match my truck through them, and I'm using them again on this project. If you want to check out any of the products used for this installation, they're going to be selling this as a complete package, and they've got all of the Toyota colors, and you can also, do something different if you want. And then they also will sell these parts as individual pieces if you just want to do like the front grille surround or door handles, or maybe do it in sequence and start with a few parts now and do the rest later on. So if you want to check those out, links are available in the description. And then in my next few uploads, I'll also be doing the tutorial install of all these various pieces. If you want to check those out as they go live, those will also be available in the video description. I'll do a quick walk around of the truck to give you a look at the new parts that were installed. First off, we've got the Grille Surround, and this, of all the features, has had the most notable impact on the appearance of the truck. If you're going to do one thing, I think this is the thing to do. Really improves the look of the truck. It comes as 3 pieces, full OEM parts, and you'll see that the color match is incredible. I think Blueprint in particular is a really hard color to match, and I can see no difference between the factory color and the painted part. Really good job on that. You will see that I still have the chrome Toyota emblem up front. I'm deciding what to do about that, whether just to leave it as it is, maybe replace it with a black emblem, or go with the Toyota Heritage grille. So we'll see about that. Coming around to the side, again, nice transformation here with the window trim and door handles. Again, the door handles are a great color match with the factory color. And the black trim looks really nice as well. I do still have the Tundra lettering and the limited lettering on the rear door. Again, debating whether to just pull those off or whether I should get black letters to replace them. Likewise, debating whether to get rid of the TRD off-road decal. And then coming around to the back, the rear bumper caps have been replaced. Once again, great color match and really helps this bumper to blend into the truck. Still have the 4x4 badge, which I'll either remove or replace with black. And we've got the tailgate handle, and I need to get a new one. This is the one that was sent to me. You'll see it's got one hole on the bottom for the camera, but there's no hole right here for this rear light. So it would have looked really great on the truck if it had that hole, but we're working on getting a new one coming in the near future. So there you have it. That's a look at my new Tundra with the painted body parts installed. In my opinion, makes a world of difference in terms of the appearance of this truck, and I think it's a shame that Toyota didn't just sell it from the factory looking like this, but thank goodness for companies like RevMoto that are offering options to take care of that. Again, all these parts are available in the description below if you want to check them out, and tutorial videos will be posted soon. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and for more videos of the all-new Tundra, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.